We had used our syndicated research and learned about the target and their TV viewing habits, but it left some unanswered questions.
We have a lot of clients that are trying to reach out and engage moms, but when you actually look at advertising catered to moms, you'll find that it generally follows a similar pattern. There really isn't that much variation.
One of the really important things that we learned had to do with the way mom views TV. We had originally thought mom's very focused on the family, and so TV was a way to connect with her family. But what we learned was that TV viewing was really more about me time than family time.
And that's usually later in the evening. It's the early morning news when they're getting ready for work. It's later in the evening in prime where they're really finally sitting down to relax and they can really engage with the programming.
And it was an escape and a chance for the target audience to have some focused viewing, and that really then impacted what we recommended.
All of these research initiatives have helped us to build a rather large knowledge base on the moms, as well as the things that are important to them in their day-to-day lives, and how we can reach out and target them and engage them more effectively.
Now that we've done this research, going forward we'll be a lot more open to true insights that are not just interesting insights but very actionable.